Goodbye monastery in Venice.
Oh, that's good.
Grazie. How is it, babe?
Good. Are you getting anything, Nick, or no? Do you want this?
Oh. Hey Crystal, why don't you tell us what you're doing right now?
I'm drinking my water so I can fill it up with the thing.
I think this is the first tree we've seen on the island. It's interesting. Crystal was saying she likes this part of the city better.
Is this the church we're going to?
It sure is.
This is what's inside your Apple Watch.
Moretti. That's my new favorite Italian beer, Moretti.
I'm gonna get a
That's a spritz. What do you call it? Ugo? Ugo.
Hugo.
Hugo.
Once I got like focused, motivated, self-motivated. But my mom eventually.
She's allergic. When you're allergic.
This table is really close to our laundry.
We've got a pretty broad skill set. We could complement
We
each
could have
other.
done it.
Yeah, we could do something like that. I like to eat. I'm Samwise.
Your second breakfast. Okay. You're Frodo.
Laundry bears. Okay, full disclosure, I normally do not do laundry in a place like this. I do it in the sink, I hang it on a line. That's my travel style. Twist. But if you look in the bathroom, you can see what the finished product is. but being in July in Venice, we've just been sweating through everything. We're wearing 2 sets of clothes a day. It was kind of necessary. So we got some time before our night train. One of the advantages of a night train is you have time to do things like this because it doesn't leave till 9 p.m. We've got all day. Here we go. I'm putting this in my why to pack light video.
No. Oh wait, maybe it does.
I think it does, because look, I can tell by the
This
wrapping.
isn't the same can that I
It
had.
will pop, but just be quiet about it. Don't pop it up and go outside.
We're
Let's
about
go
to get
outside.
kicked out of the Venice train
I feel like we
station.
should go outside.
This is totally
You know that
worthy.
prison we toured?
Throw you in there.
That's where they put people.
People who pop champagne on a train.
Are you doing this?
Yeah, I need some chip power.
Oh yeah, look at this guy to the right. Check it out.
We should go outside. Oh, there's a guy who's watching you. Dude, he looks
One strike.
legit.
He's not doing anything.
Navy.
But the Navy's in charge of like patrolling champagne in this country?
Different. Oh, geez. This can't be good. This is a bad idea.
Went a really far ways away. Is that the small sandwich?
Yeah, I asked for the small ones, and they gave me a pizza. They gave me a pizza. I need a cork.
You need a cork?
Screw. No.
I have a corkscrew.
Please let this be equally embarrassing.
I don't want this corkscrew to fly into the sky and never come back because I like this corkscrew.
I don't think it will if you hold it.
You should be scared.
It's like barely moving.
Here we go.
Oh gosh, here you go. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh, now that's how you open a bottle of champagne. I mean, it looked cool. It looked cool. Was this way close? Where's my fan? Was it supposed to go in here? Oh, super bag sit in the 60s.
I think there's like a lounge car or something. 236 is the train. What the wagon is 402. No, because half the train goes to Munich, half the train goes to Vienna.
There we go.
There we go. Okay, this is us, babe. How's it going? How's it going, guys?
Oh, it's going.
Woo!
We had to evacuate people from our room.
There's people in here?
Won't let me sleep on the bottom bunk.
Do you want to sleep on the top?
No.
Oh, okay, well that's why. Okay, so today's Thursday, July 8th, and we're going on a train from Venice to Vienna, and the attendant said, I want to see your ticket and your negative COVID test, but we showed him a COVID vaccine. He looked at it for 2 seconds, said Moderna, and then walked away. So really, that part was not hard. I'm not sure how timely this information will be in the future, but at least for now, if you have a vaccine, they seem to let you on land by train between all countries in the Schengen zone. What's up, players?
Oh, let me move my stuff here. So, and then I found out her boyfriend had gotten her this Kindle Fire.
Okay, so this is the 6-person private sit-up-all-night sleeper.
Yeah.
This is cool.
No, but it goes into a sleeper.
You
Kind of.
How would like
That
two
looks
people
very
across
uncomfortable.
from each other?